Hey guys, welcome to another slime package review video. So starting off with Slime.Bun, I've always wanted to get some slimes from her because I just love everything about her Instagram. She always makes her slimes look so aesthetic and beautiful. In the package, she gave me a really detailed care sheet, and you think that this is it, but ba-bam! It still goes on. It's really nice. It saves space and it's really practical. I really like it. She gave me some borax with instructions attached to it along with her business card. So the slime was bubble wrapped, which is really nice. I got her snow bunny slime in 4 ounces, and just look at the exterior of this slime. It is so beautiful. The colors did not mix at all, and it came from another country, so that's really impressive. It came with a really adorable bunny charm, which totally matches the name. The slime was a bit melted, so I did have to reactivate it a bit, which is not a problem with me. After the colors are mixed, it becomes this really beautiful baby blue color, and I believe this is a snow fizz slime, which I really like. It is slowly becoming one of my favorite types of slimes. It's stretchy, it's crunchy, it's sizzly. It's just so soothing to play with, along with the scent. It's scented like mint, and that just adds to the whole satisfying part about this. I absolutely love this slime, you guys. Next up, I'm reviewing Moon Cotton, another slime shop I've never bought from, but I really wanted to buy from, and I finally did it. She gave me a nicely labeled borax along with her business card. On the back of that, it has helpful information on how to care for your slime. I don't know how she fit all of that information onto that tiny card, but I think it's awesome. She gave me some candy. The slime was wrapped in nice pink tissue paper, and it was bubble wrapped, so I thought that was wonderful. I got fresh hotel towel in 6 ounces, and the reason why I got this slime is exactly because of the name. It was just so intriguing to me, and I just really wanted to see what it was like. So when I first touched this slime, it felt like a butter slime, but as I took it out of the container and played with it more, it's definitely not a complete butter slime. It's a really unique texture. I would say it's like a combination of butter, cloud, and probably something else, but I don't know what it is. But I really dig the texture. I really like it. It's super creamy, it's stretchy, and the scent, I absolutely love it. I want my whole entire bathroom to smell like this. I would say it smells like the name. It smells fancy, classy. It's like you're staying in a fancy hotel, but I probably can't afford it because it's too expensive kind of scent. It's like a really perfumey scent. That's what I would say. I don't know what exactly how I would describe it, but overall, this slime, I just love it. Next shop I'm reviewing is Glitter.Slimes. Now I have bought from her before and I really liked it, so I wanted to buy more. And of course her bubble mailers are poppin'. I kind of hate myself for saying poppin'. It's poppin', you guys. Just like my lip gloss. My lip gloss is poppin' even though I don't wear lip gloss. So I got some gummy peas and carrots and some candy. I thought that was cool. And then I got some business card and a care sheet. And she gave me some borax. Both of the slimes that I got were bubble wrapped, so that was really nice. I got carrot cake in 6 ounces and I just love the colors. It reminds me of fall and the colder months. I just miss winter and fall already. Definitely prefer that over summer and spring any day. The slime is amazing. It was not sticky at all. It's thick and I just really like the marbled look on top of the slime before you play with it. It looks so nice. It has some black glitters in it as well. I don't know how I feel about the scent. It smelled like shaving cream to me and a mixture of cake as well. It smelled good, I guess. It's not bad, but I've never tasted or smelled carrot cake, so I don't know what it's supposed to smell like. But to me, that's what it smelled like when I first sniffed it. The slime itself is glossy. It's creamy. It's just so lovely. I really enjoy the texture of this. The next slime I got is Mint Oreo Blizzard in 6 ounces. The slime did melt when I first opened it, so I did have to activate it again, which is not a big deal at all. It has foam beads and black glitters. The only issue I had with the glitters is some of them got stuck in the container, so I did have a bit of trouble getting them out, so I just left it in the container. It makes great bubble pops and I really like how the foam beads give it texture. Honestly, I love any kind of slime that has foam beads. It's not a complete foam, so it's still stretchy and it's holdable, and I really enjoyed the scent. It smells exactly like the name. One last thing about this slime is that it's self-inflating. It would not fit back into the container, and I just love when slimes do that because you kind of get more to play with. Last shop I'm reviewing is Peachybbies, a highly requested slime shop from you guys. I got 2 slimes and they were both bubble wrap, so that was great. She gave me some confetti glitter, a business card, and some borax. Starting off with the first slime, I got Pink Flamingo and it's a cloud cream. I got it in a 4 ounce. I've always wanted to try Andrea's cloud cream, so I had to get one. And you guys, I really wish that I got a bigger size, but it was sold out unfortunately because I'm obsessed with this. I really enjoy the texture. It's so unique and definitely not what I would imagine a cloud cream would be. It's like better than what I expected. I love the large pink foam beads that are in it. There is no bead fallout at all, and I think they add a great addition to the slime. It's stretchy and it's holdable. The scent is so lovely. It smells really sweet and candy-like. I want this in lotion form, in a body wash. I would love to bathe in this. That's how much I like the scent. Last but not least, I got Cherry Blossom, which is a cloud dough in 4 ounces. I love the color combo, the white and the vibrant pink together. They didn't mix at all in shipping, which is fantastic. When they're mixed together, it is absolutely gorgeous. What blows my mind is that this feels different than her cloud creams, and I don't know, it's kind of cool how similar looking slimes can feel different. I would say that this is on the wetter side, and it's definitely not a typical cloud slime texture where you can drizzle it. it, but it's super stretchy. It's fun to poke and squish and stretch. It's just overall really fun to play with. And the scent, it smells like a really sweet version of cherries. Really fresh, smells so good. I do want to mention that it does leave a bit of residue, but it doesn't really bother me because I can just pick it back up with the slime. Another thing that I want to add is this slime is self-inflating. It definitely increased in volume. I could not fit it back into the container. I do want to mention that my order did take a little over 7 business days, which is the estimated time that's stated on our website. It took almost 12 business days. However, they did email me with an update saying that there would be a delay because of making one of the slimes, so shipping would be late. So I think their customer service is really professional. This is not a huge deal with me, but if you guys ever buy slimes from a shop and you're wondering, oh my gosh, where is my slime? Definitely check out, the frequently asked questions on the website and see how long it takes to ship. Not the time it takes to get to your house, but the time to actually when it is shipped before you email the slime shop seller. Just something to let you guys know. And that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!